Hey, what's going on, guys? Going to make a quick video about how to take a screenshot on Windows 7. I was going to do a screen capture, but you know what? We're just going to make a quick, simple video. Head down here in the bottom portion of your screen and go to the search bar right here and type in Snipping Tool, S-N-I-P-P, and it should auto-populate right here. Go ahead and click on that, and you're going to see this little screen right here. Now go to whatever page that you want to screenshot. Now this, what you do right here, come up here and drop that down. You can do a free form snip. That's what I'm going to be showing you guys. Rectangular, window, or full screen. So I'll leave that up to you guys. We're going to keep it in free form. So what we have now is we have these little, your mouse becomes these scissors. So I need to take a screenshot for a sponsored video, and they need to see my analytics for my YouTube page. So I'm going to start right here. And I'm gonna literally draw this line. So my mouse is literally doing this right now. And we're gonna go down here. And I know you can do this with Microsoft Paint as well, but this is just really cool because I can literally do this custom thing here and then watch. You're like, oh, but it's gonna be this ugly line. Watch this, okay? Boom, check that out. This window comes up, beautifully squared off, beautifully cutting out all that other nonsense. And then you go ahead and come up here, File, we're gonna save as, and then we're gonna go ahead and save it as Analytics Screenshot. You can play around with that if you don't want a PNG file. You can change it to JPEG, etc. I'll just leave it with a PNG. And then let's go ahead and hit save. Let's go ahead and get out of this. And Analytics Screenshot in my folder right here. Let's get out of that. And it comes up as Microsoft Office, at least my computer. But that is the screenshot beautifully cut out. That is what, if you send this email or if you send this, that's very professional and looks fantastic. So again, customize your screenshots on Windows 7. I'm pretty sure this is probably for Windows 10. Same method applies. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if it has helped you. And subscribe on your way out, guys. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.